Hey, it's Leo Johnson from MarineMax Lake Norman. I'm here today to show you a new model from Sea Ray and a new arrival to our Lake Norman store. This is a 2025 Sea Ray 250 SDX Surf. This boat's in the Sea Ray blue with the black bottom, put on the black water sports tower with the accent panels. This boat's also been paired with the factory boatmate trailer that you see here. It's got fuel wheels on it, guide poles. It's a really high-end trailer. Let's climb aboard and check out some of the interior features. One of the key features on the Sea Ray Surf series boats is this Bravo 4S drive that you see down below. It's got forward-facing propellers. In addition to that, we've got two very large tabs here, both port and starboard, to kind of shape that wave just how you like it. You're also going to notice under here that we've got underwater lights installed on this boat. And up on the top side, as standard on all of the Surf series boats, is this flip-down in-water swim seat. Goes all the way down when the drive is down in the water. Climb aboard, let's check out the inside. Climbing aboard this boat, it's immediately apparent that this SDX series is designed for families, it's designed for large groups, and it's a very flexible, great entertainer. Back here on the swim platform, this boat is equipped with the water system. You're gonna see the water port there on the left side for your transom sprayer. You've got USBs, you've got a Fusion audio control, cup holders of course, and then your flagpole back there as well. You've got this nice large sun pad here. On the walkthrough, you've got some storage under your walkthrough that does drain, so it's a great place to put dock lines and things like that. Also got a block-off door on this boat. Coming further forward into the boat, we've got this backrest here that does flip down. Gives you a little bit more space on the sun pad, and of course in the upward position is a nice backrest for your interior seating. We're under the large bimini top on this boat. It's extended right now, folds away very nicely. You're also going to notice we've got the tower speakers equipped on this. Great option for a surf boat, glad to have it on this one. Both on port and starboard on this boat, you're gonna have wireless phone chargers. Got one here and one there. Plenty of storage as well on this boat. You've got another cooler style box in here with some owner's pack items in it right now. And then on this side, you've got really deep storage where we've got another couple items for the boat. You'll notice we've got the teak tables installed on this boat as well. We've got one in the back and one in the front. They're both really nice, really well laid out, and really ergonomic. Over here at the helm, a couple neat features on this boat. You can flip your helm chair either direction, so you can get the right seating layout for your intended purpose. This boat is equipped with twin Simrad NSX screens up here, so you've got a great spot here to control the boat. A lot of customers will set up their surf display on one, their engine data on the other, maps on one, surf data on the other, whatever your preference is. Over here, you're also gonna have manual trim tab controls for those surf tabs. You've got your key switch, of course, and then your Mercury digital throttle and shift. The captain also gets another wireless phone charger over here. Coming over to this side, this boat has a redesign for the 2025 model year. It's gonna give you this super large head compartment. It's a two-piece door where it opens like this, pull the pin, and you open it up there. You'll see this one's equipped with the vacuum flush head. Got the sink in there. We've got our bow filler cushion tucked away up forward. As part of this redesign, Sea Ray's also curved the windshield a little bit more, so it fits in with the lines of the boat. It's a really sleek look. Over here on your passenger console, you've got your main audio head unit. You can control the volume and the channels through your touchscreen at the helm, but you've got a main head unit here as well for your passengers. Coming further forward through your door here, of course the windshield closes. Also got a block-off door right here. Allows you to tuck away on those cold mornings. It's a very deep, very comfortable bow on this boat. You see we've got the table installed right now. This can be removed and we can put a filler in its place. It's a very good spot to hang out on the boat. Of course, cup holders, you've got USBs on both sides and some of your Fusion audio speakers up here. Last but not least, at the very front of the boat, we've got a dedicated anchor locker. Goes right over the front, so it's a nice option to have. Keep your anchor out from under the seats. That's been a quick overview of this Sea Ray 250 SDX Surf. If you like what you saw or have any questions, give us a call. We'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.